Come test drive the 2013 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes, body color door handles, daytime running lamps, FWD, rear window defroster, cruise control, trip computer, cargo net, carpeted floor mats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.